Pinakarespetado sa news and current affairs.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
Oh yeah, you heard it right. Basta Radyo, ibandera mo. Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome. Bandera Night Jams, Monday edition. Monday na naman. And Monday, unang buwan pa. Unang araw ng bagong buwan. June 1, baby! Welcome the month of June. And talagang ngayon niya binakbakan yung ulan, ano? Dito sa lugar natin at least, in the city of Olongapo. Oo, June 1. Alam niyo noon pa, nung hindi pa masyadong big thing yung climate change. June talaga yung tag-ulan eh. Pero lately naging May pa lang umuulan-ulan na. Pero for this year talagang bumalik yata sa June, pagiging June. Okay, so welcome to the Monday, June 1, start of rainy season edition of this radio show. This is Bandera Night Jams with yours truly, DJ Tommy G. Hey! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, mga tropa. Ayan, anong ginagawa nyo ngayong itong gabing maulan? Nahirapan ako umuwi for lunch kanina. Lakas ng buhos. Basa-basa sa motorsiklo. So, tapos ngayon din papunta rito medyo umuulan-ulan pa ng konti. Hindi naman masyadong malakas pero yeah, okay? So, ayan. Balitaan ulit. The usual, we start things with balitaan and today's holidays and observances and famous birthdays. NBA muna tayo. Well, alam nyo naman, big fan ng basketball ang mga tropa nating Noipi. Every Pinoy's love basketball. Pumasok na yung San Antonio Spurs. Sa NBA Finals. Sila ang Western Champions. Okay? Champions in the West, Western Conference champions ang San Antonio Spurs. And syempre sa East, naghihintay na yung New York, no? New York Knicks. Alam mo, nakakatawa sa magiging titular series. Titular talaga. Nakakatawa dito sa magiging finals na to. Yung dalawang team na maghaharap, parehong may mga Phil-Am players, Filipino lineage, Phil-American. Ang saya-saya, di ba? For New York Knicks, nandiyan si kabayang Jordan Clarkson, syempre, no? Ayan. His mom is from Angeles, Pampanga, si Jordan Clarkson. In case you don't know, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ha? Idol natin yan, si Jordan Clarkson. Nung nasa Utah Jazz pa siya. Never gets old. Utah Jazz. Nakakatuwa yung pangalan ng lugar na yun. No? Sa kanila, hindi. Pero sa ating mga Pinoy, nakakatuwa yan. Alam kong alam nyo kung bakit. Utah. Diba, pag nakita-kita yung mga Pinoy na Americans na meron taga ron, pare, saan ka sa Amerika? Utah. Utah, pare, Utah. Utah Jazz. Meron akong jersey ni Jordan Clarkson na Utah Jazz. Nung nasa Utah Jazz pa siya, well, lumipat kasi, nalipat sa after Utah, saan ba siya napunta? Bago siya napunta ng New York, Cavs muna yata. Tama ba? Basta yung after ng Utah Jazz. Dati rin siyang Cavs. Dati rin siyang Lakers. Napunta rin ng Lakers yun. Diba? Pero after Utah Jazz, hindi naman siya kagad New York Knicks. May kinapuntahan muna siya. Saan ba muna? I forgot. But anyways, yeah. Mm-hmm. Ayan. And yung Utah Jazz jersey ko is courtesy of Kuya Mike. Yap, si DJ Mikey Mike. Yan, sa kanya galing. Sponsored by Mikey Mike. Ayan. Meron silang sports shop na gumagawa ng mga jersey, para sa mga basketball team, volleyball team. Ayan, yung mga gustong magpagawa, ha? Puntahan nyo lang yung kanyang shirt shop na kung tawagin ay ano nga ba yung pangalan ng shirt shop ni Kuya Mikey Mike? Mamaya nga, babalikan natin. Popromote natin. Yan yung nagbibigay sa akin ng mga jersey na ganyan. Si Kuya Mikey Mike. Yap. Mike Yap. Alright. Thank you, pare ko. Ha? Okay, moving on. Balik tayo sa yun, dalawang team na maghaharap sa finals. Parehong may Phil-Am players. Sa kabila naman si Dylan Harper, no? Na anak ni Ron Harper ng Chicago Bulls. Kasama siya sa 5 championships yata Tama ba? Or 3. 3 sa Chicago Bulls. All in all, 5 yung championship crown ni Ron Harper, yung kanyang father. And yung mom ni Dylan Harper is from Bataan. Beitaan. Yan, okay? So, Filipino, very much Filipino yung kanyang mom. And alam nyo ba, sabi dun sa nabasa kong article about them, yung mom niya, ni Dylan Harper, yun yung nagtiyaga sa kanya, nag-coach pa. Kasi she herself was a basketball player in the women's league nung her younger days. And up to this day, his mom still looks young. Para lang silang magkapatid, no? Ni Dylan Harper. Yan. She is from Bataan, in case you don't know. Yan. So, dalawang maghaharap sa finals, parehong may Phil-Am players. Yan. Plus, to add to it, yung dating, yung San Antonio Spurs legend na si Tim Duncan. Si paring Tim Duncan. Mahal na mahal niya ng mga Pilipino eh. Gustong-gusto niya ang mga Pilipino ni paring Tim Duncan. Nagulat siya na ganun pala tayo kabaliw sa basketball. Dahil alam niyo na, 'di ba, na maraming nagulat sa NBA na ganun pala sa Pilipinas yung mga kanto, may court, may half court, paghapon naglalaro, tapos may dadaan na sasakyan, tatabi sandali. Mga ganun ba? Nagulat sila, namangha sila, no? Yeah, okay. Kaya napalapit sa puso nila mga Pilipino in the game of basketball na ganun pala tayo ka-crazy over basketball. 'Di ba? Tapos not to mention si Tim Duncan naglalaro pa sa San Antonio, 'di ba? O, meron din tayong San Antonio Zambales. Pundakit. East and West Dirita. In San Antonio yan. Sa sobrang pagmamahal ni Tim Duncan sa mga Pilipino, nagpatayo siya ng negosyo rito, ng business. O, narinig niyo na ba yung Duncan Donuts? Hindi Dunkin ha, Duncan. Kay Tim Duncan nga eh. Duncan Donuts. Dahil mahal niya mga Pinoy. Di ba? Yeah, sarap panoorin. Parang, I'm rooting for New York. Because I'm a big fan of Jordan Clarkson nga. Nandun si Jordan Clarkson. I also like Jalen Brunson. Basta mga, the littlest guy, I'm a big fan of those, Kasi I'm also a little guy. And I play guard and point guard position din sa pagbabasketball, pero hindi na masyado ngayon. Natanggalan na ako ng balikat. Kumalas pare kumalas. Naibalik naman, kaya lang minsan pag nagpupersa natatanggal ulit eh. Ayan. I'm rooting for New York. Masaya na rin ako kung Spurs yung mananalo. I was a big fan of Spurs then during the time of Manu Ginobili. Manu Ginobili. Sabi ng mga Bisaya, Manu Ginobili. Pero nagtutunog Italian, Yung great trio nila ni Tim Duncan Donuts, si Manu Ginobili, tsaka si Tony Parker Ballpen. Yeah, I'm a big fan of that trio back then, no? Pero nung wala na sila, not really much na, Yeah, pinapalo ko kasi doon talaga si paring Manu. I'm a big fan of Manu Ginobili. Pero yeah, there you go. The finals. Kailan ba game 1? You guys let me know. Di ko alam. Di ko pa na-check. Okay, so there you go. Balitaan. Moving on. June 1, holidays and observances for you. June 1 is International Children's Day. Do you guys know that? Commemorative date celebrated annually in honor of children whose date of observance varies. Iba-iba for different countries, no? Iba-iba. Pero internationally, ang recognized talaga is June 1, World Children's Day. Yan, okay? And also, Parents' Day. Some countries, June 1 ang Parents' Day, pero hindi lahat no? Yeah, iba-iba rin. Okay? But anyways, yeah. So, Happy Parents' Day, nonetheless. June 1 is World Milk Day, an international day established by the Food and Agriculture Organization. Yan, marami yan for June 1 probably, syempre. And we're gonna include today's monthly observances dahil every time it's the first day of the new month, we mention the monthly observances. But let's continue muna with the daily. CNN Day, the CNN News Network. Heimlich Maneuver Day. Sa pamilya nyo, dapat kahit isa man lang merong marunong ng Heimlich Maneuver. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, do you guys know what's Heimlich Maneuver? Yun yung parang dinidiin yung dito, yung sa navel part natin, yung kalagitnaan ng dalawang pinakadulong ribs natin, sa gitna. Yan. na ipipress mo yan ng madiin kapag somebody's choking on food. Di ba? May nalunok na nag-choke. Yun. Yan ang cure. Heimlich maneuver. Meteorological summer ang June 1. Kasi in the Western Hemisphere, summer na no? Sa atin nagtatagulan pero sa kanila summer. Okay? Game show day. Dare day. Dare is drug abuse resistance education. Yan. Dare. Kaya may Dare day. Go barefoot day, nail polish day, olive day, pen pal day. Buhay pa ang pen pal. Usong-uso yan, no? Pen pal. Nagsusulatan kayo, pen pal. May ka-pen pal ka somewhere else. Dinadala yung susulat ka, mahabang papel, sulat. Dadali mo sa post office, postal service. Ipadadala yon. Kunyari, Olongapo, padadala sa sa Mindanao. Nandun yung ka-pen pal mo. It will take a few days before it reaches there. Minsan, 1 week or 2. Di ba? After 2 weeks or 1 week or 2 weeks, depende kung gaano kabilis yung postal service sa lugar nyo, darating yung sagot, di ba? May tinanong ka, you will wait 1 week or 2 para makuha mo yung sagot dun sa pen pal mo. Ganun noon no? Sulat Ipadadala. Ngayon, i-text mo na lang, may reply agad layo no? Ibang-iba na talaga, no? Technology. Yeah. Tapos nauso yung text me, di ba? Nawala yung pen pal. Nauso yung text mate, di ba? Text mate. Text me and I will fax you. Kasi nauso rin yung fax machine, di ba? Kaya nauso yung kasabihan na yun kasi nagte-text sa kanya, hindi siya makareply. Ipa-fax na lang kita, sabi. Kaya text me, I'll fax you. Pen pal day, nasabi ko lang. June 1. Pen pal day ngayon no? Yeah. Thank God it's Monday. Every first Monday of June. Toilet paper. What's this? Ba't pati toilet paper? Nagkakaubusan no? Lalo na sa US, di ba? Parang naging crisis yan nung naubusan sila ng World Narcissistic Abuse Day for awareness, no? Reef Awareness Day and Superman's birthday, June 1. Really? Well, depende, no? Kasi dalawa ang kinikilalang creator ng Superman Kaya may iba pang date Pero yung isa sa kanila, sa comic book to, Superman's birthday yung June 1. Pero depende rin dun sa creator. Dalawa nga yung kinikredit no? Okay? In case you don't know, hindi nyo alam yun, no? Dalawa ang kinikredit na creator ng Superman. Alright, so there you have it. Just some of today's holidays and observances and the monthly as well. For those who are celebrating their birthdays today, this one is for you. Famous Birthday segment.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Famous people celebrating their birthdays today. This is being brought to you by Angel's Pizza. Olongapo, craving your favorites? Enjoy 30% off on every dine-out purchase with Grab Dine Out. More pizza, more moments, more reasons to gather. Promo is up until August 16. Ang layo pa ng tatakbuhin yan. So enjoyin nyo na. Okay, maximum discount that can be given to you is up to 2,000 pesos. Alright? 30% off on every dine-out purchase with Grab Dine Out at Angel's Pizza Olongapo. And Angel's Pizza everywhere else, of course. Okay? And in Olongapo City, they are located at number 395 Rizal Avenue West, Tapinac, Olongapo City. Call or text them up 0927-117-9020. Open from 8 a.m. to 12 midnight. Here are the famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Isa na si Senator Lacson. Panfilo Lacson. Yeah. June 1, 1948. Okay, he's one of our senators. Isa to sa mga nasa minority block na nag-aaway-away ngayon, yung majority and minority, no? Filipino singer-songwriter, national arts and cultural administrator, Joey Ayala. That's how good he is. He has a lot of titles stuck under his belt. June 1, 1956. PBA basketball player Dondon Hontiveros, June 1, 1977. He's retired already, pero during his heyday, he's one of those, sniper guys, deadly on the three-point line. Another PBA player, Peter June Simon, June 1, 1980. Okay? And Filipino actor, he used to be a child actor, but then times passed. He grew up. He's no longer a child actor. He is now just actor and singer. L.A. Lopez. Naalala niyo pa si L.A. Lopez? Part ba siya ng ano ba yun? Going Bulilit ba yun? Kulit Bulilit? I don't know. L.A. Lopez. June 1, 1985. Another former PBA player, another one of those snipers, kagaya ni Don Hontivero, si Boy Cabahog. Boy Eli Cabahog. Yan. June 1, 1964 from the PBA. Yan. Next up, we have happy birthday also to TV actor Andy Griffin. Birthday anniversary for him. He passed away already in 2012. And movie actress Terry Polo turns 57. Danielle Harris turns 49 today. She was part of Supernatural, am I right? Si Danielle Harris. And she was the queen of the horror film franchise Halloween. There you go. She also appeared in Hatchet as a sequel to Mary Beth Dunstan. Okay? All right. And next up, we have happy birthday also to comedian Nikki Glaser. Turns 42 today. She's one of my favorites. Napakagaling na komedyanteng babae. Pag babae, di ba, ang tawag na comedian, di ba? Pag lalaki, comedian. Pag babae, comedian. Okay, and who else? Movie actor Brian Cox turns 80 today. 80 already. Alanis Morissette. It's like rain on your wedding day. Alanis Morissette turns 52 today. Movie actress Willow Shields, 26. Comedian Amy Schumer, comedian and actress. Amy Schumer turns 45. Morgan Freeman turns 89. He can still do the voice of God. Kahit hanggang ngayon, kayang-kaya pa. Kahit 89 na. Model and actress Heidi Klum turns 53. She's one of the judges of am I right? America's Got Talent, right? Si Heidi Klum or Britain's Got Talent. Basta one of those got talent. And lastly, movie actor Tom Holland turns 29 or 30 today. Okay? He was 29. Nag-birthday ngayon, so 30. Oh, lastly, we have one more. Birth anniversary for Marilyn Monroe. She was born June 1, 1926. I guess everybody knows who's Marilyn Monroe. No, very iconic actress. All right, so there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you, June 1. Welcome, June 1. Tag-ulan na. Birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
We will take a quick break. Top of the hour break, and we'll be back with a song from Alanis Morissette. Birthday niya! Sino pa ba nagbe-birthday na singer, artist? Play natin yung song. Wala na, siya lang. Kaya pwede kayo mag-request. Request kayo ng songs. Call or text me up. 0910-6909-501. Pwede nyo ring i-comment on the live Facebook video. It's up right now on the Radyo Bandera Facebook page, my page, DJ Tommy G's page, and Olongapo related pages. I scattered them all over. Kinalat natin. Alright, so please stick around. We will be back with more.
Balita at musika, pinag-isa. This is 107.